Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to use ChatGPT to draft a professional weekly newspaper with ease and efficiency. You will learn how to generate news, articles, editorials, headlines, and summaries, organize content into clear sections, and maintain a consistent tone and style throughout the paper. Whether you are working on a school newspaper, a community bulletin, or digital publication, this step by step guide will show you how ChatGPT can streamline your workflow and help you establish or publish high quality content every week. So let's get started. Right now, I'm at the website of the chatgpt.com, and this is the main prompt section where we will write a prompt and ask the ChatGPT to create a weekly news paper for us under a specific category of the question, or you can say the niche. So let's say our niche is about gaming category and we are going to create a newsletter for the gaming category. So let's ask the AI chat GPT to create a newsletter. Create a weekly newspaper newspaper create a weekly newspaper draft for gaming category by analyzing the Google. So here we are for by analyzing the Google trends and make sure to check the facts as well. So as you can see that I have written a prompt about create a weekly newspaper draft for gaming category by analyzing the Google trends and make sure to check the facts as well. So let's see how it goes on and what kind of things it adds in the weekly newspaper and how it make sure to check the facts as well. So as you can see that it has just created something for us, and these are the top gaming headline for this week, like from 8 December to 15 December. So as you can see that it has added multiple things here, and it has created a gaming weekly newspaper draft for us. As you can see it has generated it. So if you want this in a PDF form, you will just ask the in to give you the PDF form and it will provide you the PDF. So let's say provide it in the PDF form. So basically that's how you can use the ChatGPT to create or newspaper draft in just a few seconds, and please make sure to check the facts, double check the facts before you share it with anyone. So that's how basically you can use it, and you can also download it in PDF form. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.